Hello students, we continue with chemical thermodynamics. Today we will see how to derive a very important expression for maximum work. In our last class we have seen that the condition to obtain maximum work is the process should be thermodynamically reversible. So here we will be considering a reversible process which is carried out at constant temperature. So we can also say that the process is isothermal. For this, let us consider n moles of an ideal gas which is enclosed in a cylinder, and let V1 be the initial volume of this gas. This cylinder is fitted with frictionless, movable, rigid piston. Now, when it is expanded isothermally and reversibly from V1 and suppose the final volume is V2, let the temperature maintained is constant, that is T. Now the expansion takes place in number of steps, few of which we have shown in this diagram. You can see there are some weights kept over this. Okay. Now slowly one by one, when I remove this weight, the pressure on the gas will decrease, and according to the Boyle's law, the volume of the gas will increase, means the gas will expand slowly, right? So if one of the weight, ये एक वेट मैंने निकाल दिया इधर से, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व, देन वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजेस क्योंकि प्रेशर कम हो गया गैस पे. कितना वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हुआ है? बाय डीवी. Now we go on removing one weight at every step and the volume increases by small value, that is dV. Volume Q increase हो रहा है गैस का because the pressure on the gas is decreased. Okay. Now let us see how to derive the expression for the maximum work in this isothermal and reversible process. When the volume of a gas increases by an infinitesimal small amount, now we want the process should be reversible, meaning the gas pressure should increase. The gas pressure should decrease, and that's why the volume should increase by very small amount, that is dV. At every step as shown in the diagram, the volume of the gas increases by small amount, infinitesimal amount dV. Now the work done is given by dW because it is a small amount of the work. In a single step, the work done will be what? Minus P external delta V, if you remember, but here we will say dV because the volume changes very less. Now, because the expansion is reversible, the pressure of the gas, that is P, right, the pressure of the gas, that is P, is greater by a very small amount dP than the external pressure. एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर से ज़्यादा है प्रेशर ऑफ द गैस, तभी तो एक्सपांशन हुआ था. और कितना ज़्यादा है? ओनली बाय स्मॉल अमाउंट dP, right? So what is dP? I will say dP is P minus P external क्योंकि pressure of the gas is more, right? This was opposing force and this is driving force. Process is reversible, so let the infinitesimal small change between them is P minus P external. So what is P external? तो P external का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा? P minus dP. This comes here and dP comes on this side. Okay. Now the work expression, if you remember, it was what? Minus P external into delta V. Now this changes to what? It will change to minus P external value. I am substituting P minus dP, and instead of delta V, I will be writing dV because the change is very small. Let us open the brackets. It becomes minus P dV minus into minus plus dP into dV. Now these two are very small quantities, so they can be neglected because product of two small quantities is too less. So we are neglecting that, and what I will get? This is dW, small amount of the work done. So dW I will simply take minus P dV. Okay. Now From your mathematics, you may be knowing that this d is actually called derivative, and how we will take integration of this. Because I want maximum work or total amount of the work done, I will integrate this small work which is done in a single step, and let us say the limits of integration is work done from initial step up to the final step is equal to P dV. What is the variable? Volume, no? dV. So we will take limits what? V1 and V2. Right? Now you know from ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. राइट आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन ये था, तो प्रेशर क्या आ जाएगा? एन आर टी अपॉन वी. Pressure will come nRT upon V, and here I substitute the pressure nRT upon V. So what I will get? nRT upon V, and dV I am writing as it is. Now because the process is isothermal, T is constant, number of moles for a particular volume taken in a cylinder will be constant, and R तो constant होता ही है, gas constant. So what I get? This is what? Maximum work that I am getting, right, when I integrate, and constants will come outside. So nRT बाहर आ जाएगा, and you will get dV by V. V1 and V2 always you should write as the lower limit and the upper limit, right? Now minus nRT integration of 1 by x is what? It is log of x. So I will write log of V between the limits V1 and V2, right? And in log upper minus lower limit लिखते हैं हम. So ln of V2 minus ln of V1 we will write. Correct? Now when it is minus, we divide in logarithms. You people know maths better than me. So it is V2 upon V1. Now this natural log, that is ln, how I will convert into log to the base 10? By multiplying with a constant number 2.303. nRT log to the base 10 of V2 by V1. This is the expression for maximum work when we have initial and final volumes specified in the question. But instead of volume, if they give you initial and final pressures, अगर V2 और V1 के बदले P1 और P2 का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, तो how the expression changes? You will use Boyle's law. Okay, Boyle's law क्या है? Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Means PV is constant. So P1 V1 is equal to P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Right? Boyle's law, the product of pressure and volume is constant. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. तो V2 by V1 क्या हो जाएगा? V2 by V1. V1 मैंने इधर नीचे लाया. So it is P1 upon P2. राइट, लेट अस सब्सटीट्यूट V2 बाय V1 के प्लेस पे आप क्या लिख सकते हो? P1 बाय P2. एंड हाउ आई गेट दिस? यूजिंग बॉयल्स लॉ. सो expression for maximum work is also given by 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of P1 by P2. Okay, this is also called the expression for maximum work. So this is how, with the help of taking derivatives for small change and then using integration formula, 1 by x का integration क्या होता है? ln of x, we can derive the expression for maximum work. Students, this is very important derivation which comes in exam. You let me know if you have any doubt in this derivation. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.